Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to create Facebook Reels from photos only using just your phone and a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your phone and open the Facebook app. Make sure you're signed in with the account where you want to post the reel. Step 2. Next, look for the plus icon at the top, tap on it, then click on the reel option to open the menu. Step 3. Now, from the available options, choose the photos you want to use in your reel. Select one or more pictures that you'd like to showcase. This is how you build a photo-only reel. Step 4. After your photo is selected, you can add music to make your reel more engaging. Just tap the music icon on the screen and then choose the Add Music option. This lets you search and pick a soundtrack that matches your mood or message. Step 5. When the Music tab opens, find and select the song you want to use. Once you've added music, you can also include some text by tapping the text button. Type your message, then choose your favorite font style and tap Done to save it. Step 6. Now place the text anywhere you want on the screen by dragging it to your desired location. This adds a personal touch and helps viewers understand your message. After that, tap the next button at the bottom of the screen. Step 7. Finally, tap Share Now to publish your reel. Wait a few moments for it to upload. To confirm it's live, head to your profile section, refresh the page, scroll down, and you'll see the final result right there. And that's it. That's how to create Facebook Reels from photos only, step by step. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.